The last thing you want to have happen is losing your catch because you slipped on a rock. Hi, this is Brad with WTI. And that's where these CADDIS wading shoes come in very handy. One thing I really liked about them was the style. Another thing that I liked about them is that they're easy to take on and off. Similar to a hiking boot, they have laces that come on and off. You're able to cinch them down nice and tight. And that way you make sure you don't lose your shoe when you're a little bit stuck in the mud or trying to move around on the shoreline. They had really nice grip, whether I was walking in sandy bottom, muddy bottom, or slippery rocks around the shore, or trying to wade through the cattails. I was able to get a secure grip and never felt like I was going to slip. Something else that's nice about them is they are lightweight, especially when they're dry. So they're lightweight, but when they get wet, obviously they're going to hold water, but because it starts out so lightweight, it doesn't add a ton of extra weight while you're wading around in the water. Well, that's what I enjoyed about these CADDIS wading shoes, and that's my point of view.